Welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. I have I hate to even say it, but what should be a very quick project is putting a little platform in that we're going to be putting in the pond. So I need to mix probably a couple of bags, 2 or 3 bags of concrete, and get it in this form that I set up the other day when we were doing the other concrete, which by the way looks really good. Turned out really good. So we're going to start this project. I'm just going to basically get this foundation in, and then we'll come back and put the aerator in and get it all installed, set up, and I'll show you how that works. So hang tight, let me get set up here, and we'll get some concrete mixed. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get this bag opened up. Probably gonna take a couple of these bags, I'm guessing. Too bad we didn't have enough concrete in the truck the other day. Would have made this job easy. So we're just gonna mix this concrete up. Okay, so I've got a little bit of gaps in this form here, so I need to fill those in with this dirt that I took out so we don't have any spillage. So let me turn this camera around. I just need to fill these gaps with the dirt that I pulled out of here so the concrete doesn't spill out from underneath. Okay, that should be good enough for what we're doing. Probably gonna take 2 or 3 more bags of concrete. So I'll be right back. I need to go get a couple more bags. I'll be back. Cleaning the exposed aggregate, you have to pressure wash it off, It was probably 8:30, and by 9 o'clock, the rain had started in, and it rained all Friday night, all day Saturday. Luckily, it didn't hurt anything. Everything turned out okay. That's a little nerve-wracking. Maybe 2 or 3 more, and I think I only have 2 more bags, so I better get to mixing. This is the 3rd bag. I got another 3/4 of a bag I'm gonna mix up, but that is all I had. I'm gonna be a little short. Okay, here's the 4th bag going in. And that is all I had. Edge there, but we'll make it work. It wouldn't have taken another full bag, maybe. Okay. Let me go get my little trowel, hand trowel, and we'll let that set up a little bit, but then I'll get the hand trowel and level it out. We should be good to go. Good idea to clean all your tools up after you're done. So many people don't clean up, especially at the concrete work. It's easy if you get it while it's still wet. If you wait, they end up like this, where it's got concrete on it, you probably have concrete on it forever. I bought that used, so that's how I got it. Take care of your stuff. If you borrow something from somebody, make sure you clean it up. I'm just going to take this trowel and kind of level it out a little bit. It needs to dry some more, and I'll come back and do it again. It's pretty wet right now. It's going to need to dry. So this was a relatively easy job. You know, the other day in that other video, we were talking about cost and what stuff would cost to have somebody do it. Now, this was only 3 bags of concrete, but there are some people that probably don't have a wheelbarrow to do this, and they may have to hire it out. Now, I know this is a little bit, I mean, this is a small project of a bigger project. We're trying to get a aerator system in my pond, but to just do a small little concrete pad like this. You know, somebody's got to charge something for this. I mean, the bags of concrete, they were $6 a piece, and there was 4 of them. That's $24. You know, it took me a half hour. Somebody's probably going to charge, you know, they probably, I don't think they come out for this small of a job, but I guess if you got some kind of handyman person to do it, they would, but I'm not so sure they come out for less than $100 though. I don't know what this would cost, but just a small job like this, you know, don't be afraid to do it. Even if you had to go buy a wheelbarrow and a mixer, a hoe, I mean, you're still probably cheaper than the $120, $125, $150 someone would charge to come out and do this. You know, I had the forms, the 2x4 forms. I had to go buy that. That was $6. Of course, I had the saw to cut it, but all this stuff, you know, costs money. So I guess on one hand, I understand why people charge what they charge, because they have to have the tools, you gotta have the knowledge. But just being a homeowner, it's good to know this stuff. And there's no reason my kids shouldn't be able to do this, because they've seen me do this type of stuff growing up. So hopefully they feel confident, and you feel confident in taking on little jobs like this to, you know, help yourself and, you know, just make your property better. That's what we're doing. We're trying to clean up our pond here. It gets really kind of mossy in the summertime. It's pretty clear right now, and we treated it this summer, but I do have a lot of this, what they call that, foxtail, or what that is. It's just an invasive mossy grass. But I even tried to burn it off last year, and that didn't work. It just came back. You have to actually get the roots out. And I kind of knew that. What I'd love to be able to do is get out here with my excavator and maybe build a platform out there where I can set and scoop that stuff out. That'd be a pretty big job to do something like that. But, you know, it's just stuff around this you can do around the homestead and get jobs done and save yourself some money, learn something along the way. So I think that's going to wrap this video up. This is a short video, just getting that little concrete pad in. We'll have a longer video later whenever I actually put the aerator in and get that set up and how all that works. I've never installed one, but there's a bunch of YouTube videos out there on how to do it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go learn something. I'm going to install it myself, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.